When men tell me they feel like their body isn't responding the way it used to, I always ask the same question. When was the last time you gave real attention to your pelvic health? Most men pause, look puzzled, and say, never. And that's where we begin. Because hidden deep in your pelvis is one of the most ignored systems in your body. Yet it holds the key to circulation, confidence, and even the way your hormones communicate. 4 spaces after every period. If you've noticed that your energy has dipped, your drive feels lower, or you're simply not performing the way you used to, stay with me. I want to show you something that's both ancient and deeply scientific. A simple, 1-minute technique that can improve blood flow, loosen tension, and reignite potency in a completely natural way. It may sound surprising, but the science behind it is solid. We're talking about improving vascular flexibility, supporting the nerves that control circulation, and retraining the body to respond the way it was designed to. Now, let's be honest. After 50, most men are told that decline is inevitable. You hear it everywhere. Testosterone drops, metabolism slows, the spark fades. But that narrative leaves out something crucial. It's not just about hormones. It's about circulation, tension, and recovery. Think of your pelvis like the foundation of your house. When it's tight, stiff, or under constant pressure, the entire structure above it feels off. Blood flow slows, muscles weaken, and nerves become less responsive. Over time, that can affect everything from bladder control to intimacy to overall vitality. I want to tell you about a small, coin-sized area that plays a massive role in this system. It's called the perineum, the soft area between the scrotum and the anus. In traditional medicine, it's known as the million-dollar point. Modern research now shows that gentle stimulation of this area can improve pelvic circulation, calm stress hormones, and even help regulate the nervous system that controls blood vessel dilation. In other words, this one spot acts like a control center for male vitality. Here's why it matters. Over years of sitting, driving, and holding in tension, the pelvic floor muscles become chronically contracted. That constant clenching squeezes the small arteries and veins that feed the region. Imagine bending a garden hose halfway and expecting full water flow. It just doesn't happen. The result is reduced oxygen, poor nutrient delivery, and weaker muscular response. But when you release that tension, blood rushes back in, nerves wake up, and the body starts repairing itself naturally. I've seen it over and over in my practice. Men who believed they were past their prime suddenly feeling stronger, more connected, more alive. And no, this isn't magic, it's biology. The same principles that improve gut health, skin barrier repair, or circadian rhythm balance apply here. When you improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and support the body's ability to recover, everything else starts to fall into place. Let's walk through exactly how to do this. Start by finding a comfortable position. You can sit on the edge of a chair with your knees slightly apart or lie on your back with knees bent. The goal is access without strain. Using clean hands, locate that soft area between the scrotum and anus. You'll feel a subtle indentation, sometimes a little tender. That tenderness is often a sign of tightness or poor blood flow. Using your index and middle fingers, apply gentle pressure, about the same firmness you'd use to check if a tomato is ripe. Firm, but not painful. Now massage the area for 1 full minute. You can make small circles, or you can press and release in slow, rhythmic intervals, about 5 seconds firm, 5 seconds relaxed. The key is consistency. 60 seconds may not sound like much, but this small action reactivates circulation through vessels that have been dormant for years. Think of it as micro-mobility work for your pelvic floor. Adding a high-quality oil enhances the effect. Castor oil is a favorite for its deep penetration and anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut oil is antimicrobial and gentle on sensitive skin. And if you want to elevate the routine, try a few drops of black seed oil, long praised in traditional medicine for its hormone-supportive effects. Warm the oil in your hands before applying. Cold oil can make muscles tighten again. Do this once a day. Morning sessions work beautifully because testosterone peaks early. Evening sessions are equally powerful. They relax the pelvic muscles and improve deep sleep by calming the stress response. Just 1 minute daily is enough. Consistency beats intensity. A minute a day is far more effective than 10 minutes once a week. Now let's talk about why this works from a scientific perspective. The pelvic floor is part of what's called the core sling. It supports organs, regulates blood flow, and communicates directly with your lower spine. When it's tight, it sends constant signals of stress to your brain, which increases cortisol and other stress hormones. Chronic tension also reduces nitric oxide, a molecule that keeps blood vessels elastic. When nitric oxide levels rise, blood flow improves, collagen production increases, and even the skin in that area becomes healthier. You're not just improving performance, you're improving cellular function. Think of this as physical meditation. Just as deep breathing resets your nervous system, pelvic release restores your body's lower circuitry. You may even notice benefits you didn't expect. Better bladder control, fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, relief in your hips or lower back. That's because all of these systems are connected. The pelvis is the crossroad between your circulation, hormones, and mobility. I once worked with a 62-year-old patient who told me he'd given up on intimacy entirely. He felt disconnected from his body, frustrated, and tired of quick fixes. We started with a simple plan: daily perineal massage, 10 minutes of deep breathing, and a shift toward anti-inflammatory foods. Within 3 weeks, not only did his confidence return, but his hip pain vanished. His sleep deepened, and his energy during the day surprised him. What changed wasn't just his circulation, it was his entire internal rhythm. His body had been waiting for permission to relax and flow again. That's what I want you to experience. Restoration, not replacement. Reconnection, not resignation. Because age is not decline, it's feedback. It's your body saying, hey, let's maintain what matters. Here's a quick way to enhance your results. Support this massage with small daily habits that improve longevity and metabolism. Hydrate consistently. Your blood is over 80% water, and dehydration thickens it, reducing flow. Add magnesium-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate to relax smooth muscle fibers. Prioritize anti-inflammatory foods: salmon, olive oil, berries, turmeric. And if you can, move your hips every day, walking, stretching, or gentle yoga. Movement keeps fascia supple and circulation active long after your 1-minute routine. Sleep plays a role too. Deep sleep is when testosterone and growth hormone rise naturally. Protect that rhythm by limiting screens an hour before bed and keeping your room cool and dark. When your circadian rhythm is in sync, your recovery systems work better, your stress hormones balance, and your performance naturally improves. The truth is, most men don't need more stimulation. They need restoration. The body already knows how to perform. It just needs oxygen, flexibility, and calm. When you lower stress hormones and increase pelvic blood flow, the entire system recalibrates. You'll start to feel warmth return to areas that once felt cold, energy returning to mornings that used to drag, and confidence returning to moments that used to cause frustration. And let me address something that often comes up. Many men feel awkward about touching this area. That's normal. But I remind every patient that this isn't about shame or odd rituals. It's about self-care. Just as you'd massage a tight shoulder or stretch your hamstrings, this is simply muscle recovery for one of the most important regions in your body. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. Within a few weeks of consistent use, you may notice improvements in posture and stability too. That's because the pelvic floor anchors your spine and hips. Better circulation means better oxygenation, which translates to stronger collagen and connective tissue. So yes, this 1-minute habit can even help your mobility and recovery far beyond what you expect. I often think of health as a conversation between systems. Your gut talks to your brain, your heart talks to your hormones, and your pelvic floor is part of that dialogue. When one part stops communicating, everything else compensates. This small act of daily attention reopens that communication channel. It's not a quick fix, it's a reconnection with the foundation of vitality. If you want to start this week, here's a simple 3-step starter plan. Step 1. Choose your time, morning or evening, and commit to 1 minute daily of gentle perineal massage with your preferred oil. Step 2. Add 10 deep breaths during or after the massage to help your nervous system shift from tension to recovery mode. Step 3. Support it with one daily habit that improves blood flow, maybe a brisk 10-minute walk, a magnesium-rich meal, or cutting back on alcohol for 7 days. Do that for just 1 week and pay attention to how you feel. You may find that your energy rises, your stress lowers, and you reconnect with a sense of calm strength that feels familiar but long forgotten. That's the power of small, intentional actions. Not gimmicks, not pills, just physiology working the way it was meant to. So if you've been feeling discouraged, know this: you are not broken. Your body is adaptable, intelligent, and ready to respond when you give it what it needs. Circulation, relaxation, consistency, and trust. The older I get, the more I appreciate that health isn't about chasing youth. It's about unlocking flow. When your blood moves freely, your cells get nourished, your mind clears, and your confidence naturally returns. This is the kind of longevity we should all be striving for. Not just years in life, but life in those years. Strong metabolism, healthy recovery, deep sleep, and steady energy, all rooted in the simple act of caring for the systems that most people ignore. So take that minute today, find that spot, breathe, release, and let your body remember what vitality feels like. You deserve it.